Hi there, students. In this video I want to look at the verb to bellow, it can also be a noun, a bellow, and the noun a bellows, a pair of bellows, and the meanings are different. So, to bellow. What noise does an angry bull make? Sort of. It bellows. The bull bellowed. The bull let out a bellow. So it's a deep roaring sound from a large animal, particularly from a bull or a reindeer, maybe even a bear. Yeah? So that is to bellow. But we also use the verb to bellow, or the noun as well, to talk about a loud shout. He bellowed at me to stop drinking his whiskey. Notice, to bellow at somebody, bellow at, to shout at in anger. The trainer bellowed at the team to run faster, to yell, an unrestrained shout, as with anger or pain. He hit his thumb with the hammer and bellowed in pain. A bellow of laughter came from him when he heard my joke. He bellowed with laughter. Okay, so it's like a loud explosion, a loud roaring sound. Now, I've been wondering if you can use this bellow for inanimate objects, but I don't really think so. Maybe, but I'm not very happy with it. I think only animals and people bellow. I don't think you would say a bellow of thunder. Maybe Thor, the god, emitted a bellow of thunder. Yeah, because that's a person. Or the train bellowed. Maybe, but I'd probably reuse roared or another word. So a bellow, a shout or a yell. Yeah, particularly with anger, with pain, with laughter. Okay, now let's look at a bellows, a pair of bellows. The grammar works like a pair of glasses, a pair of trousers, a pair of scissors. Okay, a bellows, this is a device to blow a fire. You have a nozzle, a tube on the end, and then you have some sort of bag, and then two flat pieces, and you go, and that blows air through the tube, through the nozzle. So a blacksmith uses a bellows to make his fire hot. He uses a bellows in his forge. A bellows makes it easier to light a fire. And that is a bellows, a pair of bellows. So, to bellow. The sound of a bull, an elk, a reindeer, a bear. The bull bellowed. To shout out loudly, to yell, in anger, in pain, in laughter. He bellowed in pain. There were bellows of laughter coming from the theatre. And then a bellows, this tool for blowing a fire. So, next question, formality. I think the verb to bellow, the sound, I'd probably give it a 5.5 in formality. I think it's a flexible word. It sounds ever so slightly literary. And I might very informally use shout, yell, or roar. But I think you could use bellow perfectly well. Notice as well, to bellow is a regular verb. He bellowed at me. The bull has bellowed several times. And then the next question, origin. Well, there's a Middle English word, belwen, to roar. And that itself comes from a Proto-Indo-European behel, meaning to sound or to roar. And that is also related to the word belg, a bag. So a bag that roars. It reminds me of a bagpipe. And I think that's the etymology of both the two different meanings. So, to bellow, to shout. And then a bellows, to blow the fire. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Bellow, a bellows.